In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the new Outlook app not opening in Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Outlook. Now right-click the app and select App Settings. Here scroll down, then click on Terminate. After that is done, click on Repair. Once repairing has been completed, click on Reset and then confirm it. Now open Outlook and check if that fixes your issue. If not, the next thing you want to do is open the Start menu again, then search for Run. Now you want to type %local app data % and press enter. Here look for Microsoft folder, click on that. Now you want to look for Outlook related folders such as Outlook or One Outlook. Select both folders and delete them using the trash icon. Now wait for the files to finish deleting, then open the Start menu again and you can search for Outlook and launch the app. Outlook should now open normally without crashing or freezing. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.